Good morning, everybody. It's Courtney back with another video. And as you saw in this title, we're going to be talking about what digital marketing is and how you get started. So, I'm going to give you step by step instructions on how to get started with digital marketing today and why you want to start a digital marketing business in 2025. So, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the act of selling something via the internet. Okay, a book, a guide, a course, a checklist, an email template, a recipe, anything that you can create online and modify online and edit and then download and then send to people is a digital product. And why you want to start with digital products is they have no overhead. So once you create that checklist, PDF, recipe guide, the checklist, the email template, you only have to create it once and then you get to sell it over and over again for 100% profit. Or if you're an affiliate of a digital marketing course that I'm going to get into in a second, then you get a percentage of the affiliate commission. But that course can be resold and the product is already made. You get that? That's why we don't do physical products like Amazon Associates because their profit margins are like 10 to 12% or 5 to 12%, something like that. So we always want to stick with digital marketing. It's how people are making $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 months is selling digital products. And I'm going to show you guys how you can get started today. So the product that I promote is called Create Faceless Wealth, and it's a community. And this community, it teaches you how to create a digital product or how to sell Create Faceless Wealth faceless. Just like I'm doing here, a faceless video, I'm still talking to you. I'm still connecting with my audience. So, I want to walk through how you can get started with Create Faceless Wealth if you want to start with a faceless course. This is the only course on the market right now that teaches you how to sell faceless via Pinterest, Instagram, Threads. They're going to be bringing out some TikTok content, but it's not in here, and neither is YouTube. But this is an amazing course. I'm still going through it. If you want to get started with this course, you can get started on a payment plan for $43. Okay. If you have any issues, you need to comment below so that I can send you a message. If you can't get approved through Affirm or Klarna because of your credit, we can get you set up on what's called Sezzle, okay, for payment plans. So you can get started today for 43 bucks. So you sign up for this product and you go through the course step by step. Okay, whatever you want to learn, it teaches you how to use AI, it teaches you how to set everything up. If you're going to create an Instagram, you're going to create your Instagram and you're going to make your bio and your highlights and your stories, okay? And you want to be creating content daily, multiple reels and multiple stories daily, because reels get eyes on your Instagram and stories sell your product. So, when you sign up with CFW with the link in the description, also, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, comment below that you saw this, hit the bell notification so that you're notified when I drop a new video. You can go to the fast track of selling CFW. You can learn how to set up your CFW, your sneak peek. If you want a sneak peek of CFW before you commit, click the link in the description. You get a free sneak peek. Also, you can get a free digital marketing guide from me, okay? Emailed straight to you. So you can either set this up on StanStore, it's $29 a month, Beacons, or System.io. Either three platforms work. I have a free 14-day trial of StanStore in my bio if you want to get started with StanStore. So what you're going to do is you're going to go through these modules. You're going to set up your business. And then what you're going to do is choose a social media platform like I am on YouTube. And you're going to create content, multiple pieces of content a day, because you want eyes on your channel or your Instagram or your Pinterest or your Threads account to get sales. Now, in the course, it does teach you how to post. You don't want to always post sales content. That's why I started this out, teaching you what digital marketing is, how you can get started. It's not about me making a sale, but every time you sell CFW, you make $413. That means if you sell CFW 3 times, you make over $1,000 in a day. And how am I doing this? I'm creating content that people are searching for, content that hits pain points every single day. Okay? Because I know this product works. I know how amazing it is. Our community is just amazing. There's $826 in an hour. Pin post versus highlights. They're asking questions. Okay? Love to connect. First sale on day 4. People are making money with this product. If you don't believe me, look at all of these testimonials. Okay? Let's see. They're promoting their Instagram to get followers. I sold CFW today. She started her digital marketing journey 2 months ago. Guys, this course is amazing, and it teaches you the ins and outs, what you need to post, what hooks you need to use, what captions, what hashtags. It's all created for you. You just have to put it together. This is a one and done course. All right. And when you sign up with CFW, you get my one-on-one mentorship and also my social media roadmap of the steps that I've taken to create content and get sales. All right. So I wanted to give you a step-by-step of what digital marketing is. And if you're just watching this video, let me recap. Digital marketing is the process of selling a product that you've created online. You can use Canva to create your checklist, your guide, your email template, your calendar. That's a digital product. And you only have to create that one time, just like my free digital marketing guide in my Stan Store. I only had to create it one time, and I'm giving it away for free in exchange for your email. Okay? Then you need a product to promote because you really want to start making money with digital marketing. And I'm not talking little money like you make $3. This sale is $413. The price of this course is $487. But on a payment plan, you can get started for $43. Now, if you sell CFW one time, you've paid off your installment plan. Then the rest is just profit. It's pure profit. So if you're interested in joining Create Faceless Wealth, the link will be in the description, along with my free guide, a sneak peek of CFW, and all of the support you need to get you started. If you have any questions, please comment below. Let me know so I can answer them or do a video to help support you better. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.